A new residential project of Ajnara Daffodils, is located in Sector 137, Noida. It's a project of Ajnara Group. Ajnara Group offers affordable residential apartments in Delhi and NCR, equipped with modern amenities, world-class infrastructure, strategic locations, surrounded with sprawling greens and metro connectivity. Fulfilling the expectations of people desiring luxuries of spacious, comfortable and modern living. Ajnara India Limited is a renowned name in the real estate sector with an experience of almost 2 decades guiding through its growth, Delhi, Noida and NCR being its center of operations. Ajnara has successfully completed various projects, both residential and commercial in nature, on land acquired from DDA, GDA and Noida Authority through bidding and auctions. As we can see in the layout, the location of Ajnara Daffodils is very close to Greater Noida Expressway and is surrounded by high-rise apartments and the wide roads, giving it a more premium look. As we can see in the site plan, it offers 2, 3, 4 bedroom apartments. It is spread over 23 acres of land. It is well connected to Noida Expressway and offers healthy environment, superior design, high quality of construction and high quality neighborhood. The apartments with extra high ceiling are designed to give residents a feeling of living in a villa. It has good connectivity to NH8, Delhi Metro and fast exit routes to Delhi and NCR. Emphasis is also put on safety and security of the residents by employing the state-of-art security mechanisms. The presence of good hospitals, knowledge parks and easy connectivity gives this location an advantage over its competitors. Kailas Hospital with all the modern amenities is located just 18 kilometers from Ajnara Daffodils. IEC Business School, a management school, is located 19 kilometers from here. Knowledge Park, situated at a distance of 14 kilometers, have more than 100 colleges offering various courses. It's easily connected to Ghaziabad, Delhi and Greater Noida. Some of the unique features of this property are like 100% power backup, earthquake code compliant with building designs, double basement car parking, convenience shopping. It is also endowed with swimming pool. Landscape gardens, which makes it more attractive for the investors. It has 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. Ajnara Daffodils offers its floor plans in 2 segments, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. In 2 BHK with 2 toilets, it has a space of 945 square feet. 2 BHK with 2 toilets again has got a space of 980 square feet. With 2 BHK and 2 toilets plus study, it offers a space of 1085 square feet. And another segment what they have is 3 BHK plus 2 toilet, which has a space of 1215 square feet.